Hi, I'm Peter, your jewelry craft assistant. Today I'll be showing you how I'm making this vintage styled white gold diamond engagement ring. I begin to create V-setting. I am rolling a piece of metal to get a flat bar. I am annealing the bar so it's easier to bend. I am marking out 4 equal sections on the bar and file in between each section with a square file. I am bending the bar into square shape and solder it. With the help of a collet punch, I am forming the piece into the octagonal cone shape. I am cleaning up the sides and then proceed to cut out decorative trimming. I am soldering the top plate onto the setting. I am alloying the white gold to make a shank. I am rolling out T-shaped bar, annealing the material every few feet throughs. I am bending the bar and then soldering it. I am making the ring perfectly round by hammering it on the mandrel. I am filing the sides to desired width and then clean up the inside. I am cutting out a piece to fit the setting into the shank. Then I am filing grooves to profile the shank. I am soldering the shank and the setting together. Then I get rid of excess solder. I am marking out spaces for each stone with dividers. I am drilling the holes for stones and enlarge them. With the help of a flat graver, I am creating a bright cut groove. The last adjustments are done with manual drill. I'm inserting the stones into their seats and then set them with the beading tool. I am drilling out the seat for the main stone and then create a bright cut edge with the graver. The stone I am going to set today is a beautiful 0.27 carat VVS1 brilliant cut diamond. I am setting the stone in by securing it with 4 decorative beads in place. I am giving the mill grain structure to the edges of the setting and then the finish polish the ring. Bright cuts help the stone to sparkle more than enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and in case of any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment sections. Bye.